Well, you know. What did you guys do to him that made him want to leave that badly? I'm getting kind of scared back here now. What's going on? Are they giving me bunny ears or something behind my back?